Is your dryer not working? Get the F01 code, Kenmore F01. The problem is your board, control board, which sits right here, guys. I just took it off. It sits in this box here. That's the problem there. There's a short in it. Gets overheated and just shorts this out. And the easy fix for this, without paying hundreds of dollars for your board, see where that two bird spots are? Right there. Right there. Clean it off some sandpaper, nice and fine and clean. Solder a wire between that contact and this contact, and your problem will be solved, guys. That's how you fix the F10 code.